Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Shaggy's Garage. On today's episode, we're going to be looking at how to use the Proform Wireless Scales PC program to be able to save and log all of your scalings, as well as print them out if you wanted to review them later. So, let's get to it. So, first thing you're going to want to do is go on to Proform Parts' direct website here. So this is the main page. Right over here on the far top right, they got scales. Once you click into scales, then you're gonna scroll on down until you find the ones that you have. You can get the wired. You got a few different options here, but we've got the 7,000 pound wireless vehicle scales here. Click on that one. Scroll on down, go to instructions, and then we have the vehicle scale PC program. So this here is a Mac, so it doesn't work on this one. That's why we had to pull out the old netbook here. And basically, the way it's going to do it is once you install the program, that's what it'll look like. And basically, you take your scale system here, plug it on in, and basically what that'll trigger and start doing is it should start to load up the driver install software. Oh, I guess I already had the drivers working properly. Okay, so now, as you can see, it shows the batteries, all the percentages, everything there. No, I guess not. Hopefully you guys can see. But now that I have this all connected and synced up, what we're gonna do to make sure that it's zeroed out properly is since we already have the scales all set up and they're just touching each tire here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide her on back. Bump her on it. Slide her on back so that nothing, absolutely nothing is touching the scales. See, this is the reason why we do this. Show a negative, negative, and what you do here now is you press the zero out button and it perfectly zeroes everything back out as it should. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go bump the truck up and onto the scales. And don't forget to put it in park. And now, as you can see here, Raven's weight without me in it It's 29.29 or 29.28, depends on what it's going to end up settling at. But so yeah, now that we have it on the screen here, what we can do is press change save path. And what this does is it will actually be able to name it and save it. Once it loads up, give it a sec. If you have a newer laptop, this will probably be much faster on yours. So I just named it Raven After Weight Loss Without Me 1/3 Tank, because that's what we just did this last week. Gave her a little weight loss program. Name is not valid. Oh, alright. Oh. After weight loss without me. There we go. Now I gave it a save location. Press that. And then you can press save data. New data log. Done. So now it is saved on this computer. And the way you'll be able to use the print portion of this is, I got it conveniently saved right here. There are weight logs. And the way this brings it up is through an Excel file. So if we stretch all these columns a little bit, line those in the center. Sorry guys, give me a sec. So you get the idea. So we've got time, left front, 766 pounds, right front, 768 pounds, left rear, 677, right rear, unit, pounds, left front percentages, 26.18, and then as you go and you continue to stretch these out, it'll also give you the right fronts, left front, right rear, and yeah. So this is how you use the Proform PC program. So remember guys, if you like what you see, hit that like and give it a subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Have a great one.